TUYA stock is in a strong bullish trend. That is pretty much in the short term. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. All the other moving averages, as you can imagine, are equally doing so. This is the 200, and this is the 40, this is the 21, and this is the 10. They're all sloping bullishly upwards. The stock got a rejection at $4.08 as of Tuesday, the 20th of February, and got a pivot at 3.27 as of Friday, the 28th of February. Since that time, it has continued to print higher prices. That would just be this will be a third straight session of gains for the stock. Just incremental improvements. We've also noticed that you can equally see it that its 10-day moving average has served as a primary demand line on probably you could say sufficiently on 10 on 3 occasions, and if you include okay, let's just say 3 occasions, and if you include what's going on right now, maybe it may the 21-day moving average may begin to serve as a primary demand line. So there is an indication that it might continue. Some strength might the strength it is showing now might continue. There's a good chance that it might break through the intersection formed by or rather the area formed by the intersection of its the area formed by the intersection of the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving out 21-day moving averages. So yeah, there's a good chance that it's going to break through there, because we can see now those extrapolations are diverging, indicating that strength might come in. However, the momentum indicator is not validating that. It's just saying that there's going to be continued weakness. So even if it's not showing, I think what it just probably means is that it may just continue to inch up gradually, but not with a lot of volatility. So if you come to its yeah, before okay, if you come to its 4-hour chart, we have a look. Let's have a look and see what's going on there. On the 4-hour chart, we have upper projections of 3.64. The probability that it will surpass that target is 51.83%. That's because it has actually done that before, and there are also a couple of it consolidated a lot. It consolidated a lot. It traded around that sort of price. Within that around that price a lot since Monday, the 24th of February. As such, we have a couple of during that time, it had very high or relatively high moving averages. As such, we are getting this sort of probability. We are getting 51.83, and yeah, so adding to the fact that it has actually printed that before, so it yields that high probability of 51.83%. The probability that it will not print or so it will not surpass that price target is 48.17. Then moving up to the 3.89, the probability that it will print that it will get there and surpass it is 15.09%. The probability that it will not is 84.91%. And for 4.02, the probability that it will get there is 11.72, and the probability that it will not is 82.29. 15% or 11%, those are very high. Those are relatively very high. They're relatively high probabilities as well. Even 1% in a lot can happen with a 1% probability. So let's have a look at it 3-hour chart and see what we have there. Let's look on the 3-hour chart. There are no projections. Extrapolation is for higher prices. Momentum is expected to remain strong as it is indicated on this 3-hour chart. Let's have a look at the 2-hour chart and see. On the 2-hour chart, let's see what's going on. We have extrapolation to the upside. Momentum is equally validating that. Let's look at the 1 hour chart and see the 1 hour chart. That's equally the case. Yeah. But here, momentum is not showing any, not indicating any strength. But the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages is that higher prices will continue to print. So, a couple of days ago, the company announced its integration of has announced the integration of the DeepSeek large language model into its AIoT platform to help developers create advanced home management tools. The global home and service robot maker, valued at $10.7 billion in 2023, is projected to reach $14.24 billion by 2030, growing at a 4.4% compound annual growth rate from 2024 to 2030. This integration aims to address current market challenges, including high technical cost and operational mismatches. The enhanced robots will feature bio-level interaction and cognitive enhancement capabilities, functioning as personal butlers. Key functionalities include daily life management with full domain reasoning, technology, emotional cognition, and personalized interactions, 247 family safety monitoring, and emergency response. The positives: integration with DeepSeek LLM enhances product capabilities, target market valued at $10.7 billion in 2023, projected market growth to $14.24 billion by 2030, 4.4 compound annual growth rate forecast from 2024 to 2030. Negative: current market faces challenges of high technical costs, operational mismatches affecting user experience. Let's see. Um, okay, DeepSeek's LLM model. That's the integration of DeepSeek into its AIoT platform represents a strategic positioning in the rapidly growing home robot market, with the global home service robot market valued at $10.7 billion in 2023 and projected to reach $14.24 billion by 2030. Okay, and the integration addresses critical challenges in the current home robot market, including high technical costs and user experience. Okay, by leveraging DeepSeek's LLM capabilities, Tuya is enabling its developer ecosystem to create more sophisticated home management tools, home management robots with advanced capabilities like bio-level interaction and cognitive enhancement. From a competitive standpoint, this positions Tuya as an enabler rather than just a device maker, allowing them to capitalize on the broader ecosystem through their platform approach. The company is effectively transforming into an AI platform playing the IoT space, which typically commands high margins and creates more sustainable competitive advantage than hardware-only businesses. Okay, market strategist. This partnership with DeepSeek represents a significant strategic pivot for Tuya Inc, repositioning the company into the higher value AI layer of the smart home ecosystem. The emotional robotics angle addresses an important market gap between basic automated home devices and truly intuitive home management systems. TUIA's platform-centric approach is particularly noteworthy. Rather than developing robots directly, they're enabling third-party developers through their AIoT platform. This capital light strategy allows them to potentially capture value across the entire home robot ecosystem while limiting manufacturing risk and capital expenditures. The market, okay, yeah, for investors, it presents a transformation into the 2 years basic business model towards high margin software services. The company appears to be evolving from a commodity IoT platform into a value added AI services provider. This could significantly impact 2 years revenue mix over time, potentially improving margin profiles and reducing hardware dependency. Key metrics to watch include developer adoption rates of these new capabilities and the revenue sharing or pricing models TUI implements for the enhanced AI features. Yeah, so that's what's going on, and we have a gain of 4.549% in the today's session. That is today, the 5th of March. So on its 4 hour chart, we had projections of $3.64, and the probability of it printing that and surpassing it is 51.8%. The probability that it will not is 48.17. 3.89 probability that it will get there is 15.09. The probability that it will not get there is 84.9, and then 4.02. The probability that it will get there and surpass it is 11.72%, and the probability that it will not is 88.29%. So see what you make of TUIA, and thank you very much for watching this video.